Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi not connecting issue on this device. If you are facing any Wi-Fi related problem, simply go to settings and scroll down, tap on the option general management. So in this general management, you can see the option reset. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. You need to reset this one. Tap on the option reset settings. You can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. Now go back to the main settings page. Go to connections, tap on Wi-Fi. Again reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection. Tap on connect. Otherwise you can restart your router also. So resetting network settings clear bugs and reconnect your device properly. So simply in this way we can fix the Wi-Fi not connecting issue on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.